The issue of the KYC has been one of the troubling issues with the Rubi project. So in this video, we are going to be looking at the issue of the KYC, when it is going to be released. You already know that we are waiting for the KYC 1.6. So in this video, we are going to be discussing when it is going to be released and when you can do your KYC and how can you go about it. And then if you just scroll down right here, you're going to see this information which was dropped 2 days ago about the Rubi project. So you need to just come over to it, and you can see that event period May 1st to May 7th. So this is a Rubi Network traditional day festival period, and they have decided to not give him 2x mining for the community, which means that if you are mining 0.7 Rubi before, they will double it. You will now be mining 1.4. So if you are mining 2.5, they will double it. You'll be mining 5 Rubi every 24 hours for the next 7 days. So to many of you who have already been discouraged, the project has not died. It is still active and then still going. And then if you scroll right here, they have discussed 3 things that is 3 content that they are going to be releasing on this festive period. And the first one is the 2x mining, which we have already looked at. So the second one is a quick overview of the identity verification program, which is the KYC 1.6, so which they will discuss. And then the release roadmap. The release roadmap here is the KYC 1.6 that they are talking about. And then the quick review is right here, which is just giving us a brief overview of what the KYC 1.6 will be like and how it is all about. And then they have told us that it is a global human verification that is going to be verifying real users, and we are going to be the ones, the community, the miners of the Rubi are actually going to be the ones that are going to be doing the validation. So we are going to be applying to become validators of this project, and that is not just it, because they are actually going to be paying you. So it is going to be like a part-time job, it is going to be like a global job, it is going to be like a side hustle where you can be actively participating in by verifying people in your region, but you need to apply for it, and there are conditions in which you need to pass before you apply for it. So once you apply, you'll be able to verify people in your region, just like the Pi project did, just like Syndra project is doing, and that is how it is. But they are now making their own highly and more professional compared to what we experienced in the Pi project and what we are experiencing in the Syndra project. So they are trying to solve some problems that the Syndra and Pi projects have suffered from. So that is how strategic they are building this particular feature that is going to enhance and help all of you that you have been looking for the KYC. And then if you come right here, they say that any eligible Rubi miner can become authorized partner. So which means that it is not for a selected people, it is not for some certain people. Anybody, as long as you apply and you pass the criteria, you can participate in the KYC validator role, you can perform user verification, and then you can receive rewards from the verification activities that you have done. So that is it, anybody can do that.